So on the DXY here, so we were looking at this zone here. Why? Because we were bearish. So we break this low here. We were looking for potential break and retest, and it did play out the zone, right? And then we'll push it back to this area. Wow, beautiful. To be honest, it was very, very beautiful. The zone was not too big, right? It was good, and then get back to this level. This is what I share, I believe, Monday. If we reject this, we can potentially see it go back to this area. So it did play out well. JPYX here. So I just shared the video for Liam. Right, we were here last trade house. I said, okay, if we break above 780, I believe it was like the last trade. I'm not sure, but I did make a video that if we able to break above, right, we might have a retest at this area. We did go lower, right? Respect this low here, break above, boom, have this beautiful retest, and then boom, at least to this level here, and then boom, get back to 786 level. So yesterday I also shared to Liam. Let's see if buyers are able to hold this level. If not, we can see it come back again at 780. Forex Factory, I'm not gonna dive in too much on that. I'm just gonna go fast. I wanna let Maximus talk. So gold. Gonna go on this one here because we had the setup. So we're looking at 1940. Buyers didn't hold this level here, and then we'll push back to this level. We did have like kind of a TP1 here, so it was good. Push it back to this area, and then depends on your entry, right? Almost TP1, like shoot up to 39 there, 1939-ish, but it did give a nice little push to the upside, and then we had the news today, push it to the second zone. I was like, okay, cool, it's still good if we don't respect this zone to look at this area, and then we'll push it to the upside. We can potentially see it retest at this level, or if buyers hold here, if I would play a setup, would be invalidated below this area here. So if you take a buy here, it would be invalidated here. It can potentially come back to here, but it's still a good entry because we have that smart money move here. So TP1 would be around this area, and then if we push it up, it's gonna be this area, and then here, let's say. This is for gold. US 30 did respect the zone there. Yes, 1920 was beautiful, exactly. And also, US 30 did play out on the zone right here. We close with a big rejection. This imbalance here got filled at least TP1, right? At least TP2 maybe at this bottom, rejected, get back to this low here. Wow, beautiful. Here today, if you were looking at US 30, boom, push it back to this level. So it was really nice. And also the question is, yeah, the setup play out like, yeah, just like, anyways, I'm just saying, this was more beautiful. Boom, fill up this imbalance, this bottom reject, boom, get back to this level, and then push it up higher. So NAS was kind of different. Here I was looking at this zone here, but didn't cover the imbalance and shoot it up at this top, and then whoop, we're now playing at this level here. GPYX. So I'm going to talk about the trade that I took. So GJ, I was looking for a bearish momentum before taking any short on GJ because we're very, very bullish, right? Since a while. So last Monday we were here around this area, and I was looking for at least a breakout of this level, and if I have some confirmation like a 1 hour candle very bearish, it's going to be a sign that, oh, okay, sellers are entering the market. And I did share this level here. So if you took it, I don't know, for buys, get back to the top. I played this top here, right? Because we broke this bottom, boom, take this top, nice closure, and then we push it up a bit and then drop back to this level. This is where I TP. And after that, I did got out of BE, because sometimes people are asking me, do you keep your trade or do you move your SM? No, what I do usually is I keep my trade BE, because I don't know how it's gonna move. It is gonna break above or not. So I rather get out BE, and if I have confirmation, I will position myself again. So I did position myself again at this area. We failed to make that higher high, get back to TP1, and then we have this beautiful breakout here. So the zone here, second zone, I said, okay, if we break below here, this is what I want to see for GJ, boom, and then get back to the second level. And I did take a retracement here. So I play a break and retest, break and retest at this top here, boom. Was looking for a TP here, boom, did play out well. So I'm out of this level, but I'm still in this level here. GU, do we have something on GU? So this was one, okay. So we were waiting for a breakout of this level here. We did break above. So nothing really to say on GU. So wow, beautiful on GU. EU was beautiful. We did not respect this top, but we break above that. Have that beautiful retest here at the top, same zone. So you put it, break, retest, beautiful closure on the H4 or 1 hour. The H4 is more beautiful. Did respect the zone. Wow, buy here and then get back to the next level. Wow, beautiful. EuroCAD, not much. Euro, not much. Nothing. And CAD, no, also not much. So this is a little recap. Nice, bro. Beautiful. Little recap on what's happening. I might send some what we can see next, but I want to give time for Mr. Maximus for sharing his setup. So Maximus, you can take away, bro.